Hi dears, good morning. Today we are going to learn about birds. Birds are the most beautiful creature in this world. Can you see any birds? Can you say the name of some birds? Tell me. Yes. Hen, cock, crow, duck. Wow, very good. Now we are going to learn about textbook pictures. Are you ready? What is this? This is a hen. 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 Hen gives us egg. Hen gives us egg. Which bird gives us eggs? Hen. Which bird gives us egg? Hen. Next, what is this? Cock. Cock. This is a cock. Cock. Hen and cock. Hen and cock. Next, parrot. Parrot. This is a parrot. Parrot is green in color. Parrot is a talking bird. Which bird is a talking bird? Parrot. What's the color of a parrot? Green. Next, sparrow. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. This is a small bird. Peacock. Peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock. Peacock looks very beautiful. It has beautiful feathers. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock can dance. Which is our national bird? Peacock. Which bird can dance? Peacock. Next, dove. Dove. This is a dove. Dove. Duck. 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 Duck gives us egg. Duck gives us egg. Duck can swim in water. Which bird can swim in water? Duck. Which bird can swim in water? Duck. Which bird can't fly? Duck. Which bird can't fly? Duck. Next, crane. Crane. This is a crane. What's the color of a crane? White. What's the color of a crane? White. Next, owl. Owl. This is an owl. Owl can see at night. Which bird can see at night? Owl. Now, I am going to introduce workbook pages. First activity, trace on the dotted line of the national bird, cut an onion and dip it in color. Press it to make peacock's feathers. Then, circle the bird that gives us egg. Last activity, help the duck to reach the pond. After reading the textbook and studying questions, you can do the activities in the workbook. Have a nice day. Thank you.